What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Today, I'm going to show you guys how to take something like this and turn it into something like this.
All the body hit the flow. They wanted more. I give them more.
Alright guys, what you're going to need for this project: a drill, a couple drill bits, riv nuts, the riv nut tool. I got a Phillips screwdriver, 10mm M5s. I got these two cabinet type door latch barrel bolts, and you need 2 of those, and also you need some hinges. I got these hinges right here, $2.99 at one of our local stores. I'm sure you guys could probably find them somewhere else too. This is the size that I'm using right here, and these right here were like $1.50 a piece. So just check it out, what you guys got around your local stores, and kind of just piece stuff together. If not, order it, and let's get this started.
Take it to the ground, I'ma break it down right now. How you do it? Like I'm used to you, do you? So I do it, can't do it, can't get it cold. Run it up, get it up, get it up. Weed like a rock, smoke weed like a